Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your WhatsApp. So if you receive WhatsApp notifications but with no sound, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here notifications. Just tap on it. Now just scroll down, just find here WhatsApp. Just tap on it, and here you need to allow notifications, and here you need to turn on sounds. So also after, I hope it will help you. Also you can try to restore your phone, so just go back, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second, and just power phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.